How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. And 3 months ago, my neighbor did this to my Supra. Now, since then, the car's been gone for quite some time. We're looking at 3 months, like I previously said. But today, I finally got it back, and here she is. Okay, now, control yourselves. Let's take a look at the side that the lady damaged. I've missed you. All right, drum roll please. Let's go to the side. Thank God my headlights are still intact, and let's take a look. Oh my God, good as new. Look at that. It's like she never even got hit. It got hit here. There was a giant dent. The whole door, this is the same door, was reworked and molded to make it look fucking seamless. Like there's no waves in it, no nothing. This fender had some minor damage, and I believe we got a new side skirt as well. So this whole side is back to looking good. The car itself is back to looking good. I'm so happy to have her back. I haven't looked underneath the hood yet. They did repaint this side of the car. So let's see how dusty it is. I'm expecting a lot of dust. God, I haven't seen a 2JZ in months. Oh, it's been a depressing few months. And wow, actually really clean. There's a little bit of dust here, but that's expected. I was expecting all of my polished parts to be just caked in dust. They actually look relatively clean. Actually, I'm super happy that it came out this good and seamless, like I said previously. Also, really quickly, a lot of you guys were saying that it seemed very intentional how the lady hit my car. Trust me, it wasn't intentional. It's a gated community, and what she just did was she forgot her phone, so she slapped it in reverse and tried to make it all the way back down the street, but didn't end up so well. There was a bright yellow Supra in her rear view and just stopped her car. You know, shit happens. In my opinion, it didn't look intentional. It just was an accident, but one that hopefully they learned from. They actually moved, so I never have to worry about that again. But yeah, just use your rear view mirror, use your backup cam. I mean, most cars come with them nowadays, even the base models, so just use it or learn to use it or something. So whatever, at least the car's back. What they ended up doing, like I said, is just repair the door. They couldn't get a new skin or a new door, so they just repaired the door. They might have just pulled out this dent, which I feel like I could have probably popped out. It wasn't really bad or anything. New skirt. They painted everything on this side and then rewrapped it with the same exact wrap. They did a really good job. It is like nothing ever happened. I was really nervous about like gapping issues and stuff, but the gap looks uniform throughout, so that's good. Same with back here. All the gaps line up really nice. Looks really good. Couldn't really even be happier, honestly. I have nothing to complain about with this car so far. Now let's be honest, you guys didn't click on this video just to see me talk about the car for a couple of minutes and then end it there. We are going to be taking the car to a car meet tonight. I'm actually really cold right now, so I gotta get a little warmer. I haven't driven the car much since getting it back. I drove it home, went to Taco Bell, and now we're here. So I don't know if the car has any mechanical issues. It shouldn't, but it did sit for a few months. So they actually replaced the battery too, which is super clutch of them. I took the car to SSR Auto Body. It's not sponsored or anything. I didn't pay for anything. They didn't pay me. The insurance took care of it, but I took it there out of a few recommendations from my friends. They knocked it out of the park. The car looks like nothing ever happened. So this cringy crunch, it doesn't seem so cringy when you look at the state the car is in now. I mean, it looks perfect. I am gonna try and get some new meat for the rears tomorrow. I hate these R888s. I think they're decent tires, but the way that they just fit my car, they don't make a size that has enough sidewall to fill in the gap. So I'm probably gonna go with some Nitto R555 G2s or Mickey Thompson ET Street SSs. I'm not sure on the size yet. We'll see tomorrow what I can get, but still super happy with how the car came out. All right, we're about to head out to the meet. I got my beautiful camera woman right here. This is a pleasant angle. Do you mind getting a cold start, princess? Thank you.
Can you delete that?
Delete it? No. Chris, don't delete it. Keep it in. I'm your boss, not her. Excited, mammy? Very, right? I don't know how it's going to sound. It might sound like dog shit.
Not loud. That's so quiet.
Well, yeah, it's my quietest car.
It is?
because it's now my slowest car. You hear me? Slowest car. No, it still sounds good though. So we're about to head to the meet. We're gonna be meeting up with Brian. I don't know. We're taking this hunk of shit, so let's go. All right, so we're in the Supra, and everything feels correct. It feels like how I had it before. The lady decided to, you know, make me lose money for 3 months since I didn't have my damn car. The car feels great though. I haven't got on it at all, so maybe in a minute we'll do like a little baby pull or something. I forgot to check the fluid levels like I promised I would, so I'm not gonna run it out all the way just because it's just race car transmission shit. It makes noise.
T56 is that, right?
Yeah, T56s make noise, okay? For anyone that said that I just grinded a gear, I actually didn't. They just do that at low RPMs. Anyways, we'll do a little baby pull right here. I want to hear some turbo noises. Sounds nice. T56 is definitely loud. I mean, we could do a little baby one, even if it is a cop. Hopefully, he's like, damn, that's a sick Supra. Here, we'll do a little fourth gear one. I think we just broke traction in fourth, which means these tires are shit. Okie dokie. All right, we'll do a slower one. We're gonna do a little third gear. I'm just gonna ease onto it because it broke loose a second ago. It's still breaking loose, wow. I could literally only put like a quarter throttle before it breaks loose. These R888s, garbage. I don't know if they're overinflated or something, but they're garbage right now. So let's just get to the meet. We'll worry about new tires tomorrow. Let's just go see some shitty ass builds. We're pulling into the car meet. Let's see where there's parking. Brian, I think, said he just pulled in, and I think I see him up ahead. So we'll see, but it kind of looks like a good batch of cars, if you know what I'm saying.
I always say use car lot.
Yeah, well, I saw some underglow somewhere else, so we'll look around, find a good spot, and post up. All right, guys, we're at the meet. We got a crowd looking at the Supra behind me. We're gonna do a quick lap, see what other sick builds are here, and I don't know, I guess just come along with us, see what they got at this sick-ass car meet. This guy saw my Supra and said, I could do it, but better in a truck, fool. That shit does look kind of sick, though. I love the yellow. This lot so far is pretty disappointing. I mean, there ain't shit here, nothing. I mean, it looks like just a used car lot for the most part. Oh, we got a little, the Mark II Supra? Or is this the first Celica Supra? They look the same to me. It's a Celica Supra, right? It says right there, yeah. Hey, Brian, you want some Coors Light? We got a fucking six-pack right here.
Oh shit. Are they cold?
Probably not. This one looks familiar, dude. This one looks super familiar. I think this is the old one that Rob's boy used to have. I don't know. It looks very familiar to me, but for some reason it's not ringing a bell. Ooh. Little crunch, couple wrapped 5.0s. I kind of like the one in the rear more. Okay, not anymore. I kind of hate the one in the rear now. Brian, when are you going to put air suspension in your race car?
I'm not.
That was a quick response. The WRX, he's slammed. I don't know if he needed to go at an angle like that. Then we got the Mazda mom fucking SUV piece of shit. The cammed Holden or Chevrolet SS, and then a boat. So far, pretty depressing meet, not gonna lie. We got the Camry mob. Menace to society. Sick. Menace, yeah, straight up. We got the eco-friendly lineup right here. Coming at you now. 20 grand, 20 grand. Take it or leave it. Hey, Brian, out of the three, the two Camrys and the Accord, which one is the hottest?
I don't know about hottest.
No, hottest. The chameleon headlights, you don't see that on the fucking Accords? Oh, my bad,
yeah.
The Camrys?
Both of them have it.
Oh, they're twins.
Then the light of the building over here kind of helps it out.
Yeah, it kind of helps it look sick. The one in the middle caught feelings, though. He's a sad boy.
That one's the hottest.
The one with the black wrapped hood, that one's fire. Straight heat. The Accord, he's got to, I don't know, he's got to step it up a bit. This RSX is actually pretty fresh, I'm not gonna lie. I had been telling my girl for quite some time to get one of these, and that way we could be like kind of like K20 twins, but she sold her Mustang and we have the Accord now. I'm not really crying because I'd rather her have the Accord with me. Hello over there. but these things, I have a little soft spot for them. I like them, and this one is done really well. Not molested or abused at all. Looks pretty clean for what he's done. Check out this gem. Racing stripes, team coming in fresh. Type R fake vents. Oh, the rear though. The rear is where it gets really good. We got the Type R fucking things up there, and then we have the Type R wing, but like for some reason it looks skinnier than a Type R wing, so I don't know what that's all about. And then of course, stock wheels. At least he changed the fake vents to like whatever the hell that's supposed to be. Move, Mammy, you're blocking the shot. Mini truck. That thing sounds like it needs a fucking muffler. Check out this bad boy right here. Gotta have the cute Miata with a tongue on the front. Is it made out of cardboard? It is certified made out of cardboard and zip ties. The wrap itself ain't half bad. Like, I actually like the color, and this is a similar color I've been telling Brian to do on his Jay-Z swap Miata. This one just looks like it's missing half a car. So if you do want to sell the hardtop, if you are watching this video and you want to sell the hardtop, I know the guy. He's standing right there. He is looking for one. So I doubt you will, but if you get your bumpers back on, it'd probably be a really clean car. This is kind of how I want my Accord set up. Just like a little bit of tuck, little bit of camber, nothing too crazy, just a bit, you know. I mean, that might be a little bit too much for my taste, but just a bit, just a nice tuck. Keep your fenders still in one piece. He's got some carbon on the back, which I like, but this is kind of the vision. I would want to be lower. This looks static. I'm not even gonna lie. This looks static. I see he's on ESRs. Good choice there, buddy. But this is kind of the vision. I don't know about all this carbon though. Like, it's gonna be a budget build. Hey, I have a cracked windshield too on mine. But this is kind of what I'm envisioning. We'll see when the time comes. Not something you see every day at the car meets here in SoCal, but we got a donk. Look at that. Look at those fucking wheels. Got the SS Monte Carlo. I think it's a Monte Carlo. Pretty sure it's a Monte Carlo. Hopefully I'm correct. Let me know in the comments. If it's a Monte Carlo, I'm pretty sure it is. Fuck it. Hey, the Mark V though, with the LEDs visible. You're not supposed to be able to see them like that. You see the strips? Right. Where's my finger? Right there. See the strips? Shouldn't be able to see them exposed like that. That's not how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to be hidden. Also, the wrap he has makes it look like the shark from Shark Tale. I don't know about that. The white and black usually looks cool, but for some reason it just looks like the shark from Shark Tale right here.
Well, at least boosted.
Little turbo action, yeah. Actually didn't sound half bad.
Yeah.
Kind of gave me a little chub right there. Is it going right? Ooh, a little scrape. You're blocking my shot. I'm joking. Alright. Oh, this one's loud. This one is fucking loud. Told you.
I wasn't lying.
Okay.
I told you it was loud.
I didn't think it was loud at all.
I saw it at the last meet. It was fucking loud.
All
right, we're calling it a night. We're gonna head home, and I'm happy the Supra's back. It does need tires ASAP. This meet was iffy, but you know, there's some decent builds. So let's go.